Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Investment spending and GDP can be tricky to identify correctly. Let's break down these transactions to find the real capital investment in just 60 seconds. In macroeconomics, investment spending specifically refers to the purchase of new capital goods that will be used to produce future goods and services. We are looking for physical capital here. Ming's purchase of a new delivery truck for her bakery business fits this perfectly. It is a physical asset used for production, making it a clear example of investment spending. Stocks and bonds are just financial transfers, while repairs and benefits are consumption or transfers. Only the truck adds to the nation's capital stock today. Well done! Option B is correct. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Avoid financial transfers and trust physical capital rules.